Good day everyone. Sa video na to, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano mag-withdraw dito sa CPT Markets. Okay, ito yung ating client portal. Okay, then ang gagawin muna natin is mag-add na tayo ng payment method. So sa settings, click nyo po yung payment method. Then meron tayong fiat current payment, wallet, and CPTU card. Okay, so the commonly used is the fiat currency payment. Tapos click nyo po yung add payment method. Hanapin nyo po yung Transfer Philippines. Then, input nyo po yung inyong details, ma-e-wallet man yan or online banking or local banks here in the Philippines. So, let's try GCash. Okay. So, PHP, bank account. Okay. Let's say, yung GCash number mo. Then, hanapin nyo po yung bank nyo. So, sa case na to, sa baba yung GCash natin. Okay, so meron din tayong Maya, Coins.ph, Wise, and other local banks. Okay? So, yeah, copy-paste nyo lang po yan. Okay, kasi same lang naman po yung bank account or yung phone number natin ginagamit. No? Pero kung local banks yan, syempre magkaiba yung bank account nilalagay natin. Kung ano yung account number ng ating banko. Then, email, input nyo po yung email nyo. Then, click nyo po yung confirm, okay? Mag-send nyo ng code, automatically magbibigay ng security code. Dun sa ating email, input nyo lang po yan. Then, click submit. So, after nyan, masasave yan sa ating list of payment methods, okay? Yung ating nilagay na mode of withdrawal. So, punta kayo ng funds. After that, click nyo po yung withdraw. Then, click nyo po yung PHP. So, automatically, lalabas po yung inyong sinave na GCash, okay? Then, mimili kayo ng account number. So, ito are test account lang. So, piliin nyo po yung MT4 or MT5 na gusto nyo pong pag-withdrawhan. Then, the amount, okay? And, click nyo po yung next. So, after nan, mag-aantay tayo ng approval ng ating backend. So, within a minutes or hours, minsan pag may mga maintenance, within the day na naman. Okay? If ever na medyo na matatagalan, just please contact your account manager to assist you to expedite the withdrawal. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching this video. God bless.